Joycelyn, this is what I use. These are some bouquets that I got Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. If you are part of my JS family, hugs and blessings to you. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to become part of the family. We love having you. If you are one of those people who just like to watch, welcome to you as well. I do hope that, and this is my hope and my wish, is that you'll hit that subscribe button and become part of the JS family. So you guys, today's video is going to be different ways to create a centerpiece. We all have something around the house, whether it's just a bottle, and let me tell you, spray paint is your friend. Spray paint is wonderful. You can do a lot of things with spray paint. You can do a lot of things with, the tape that has the different designs. You can create different looks with that. So today I'm going to show you, and what made me think about this is one of my viewers. Hey Joycelyn, I got this idea from you because you asked a question about the centerpiece I did in the last Tablescape Tuesday that I was in. So I'm going to show you what I did, because as I look back at the video, it was kind of hard to see how I created that. So we're going to jump on into this video and grab you a little snack and a little beverage. I won't keep you long. I try not to keep you long. So let's do this. Okay, so we're in my office, as you all can tell. So, I have my fireplace here, and I got my girl here. This is my girl right here. So I'm going to move her, because this is where we're going to work. So I'm going to move her, and we're going to start with the centerpiece that Joycelyn asked me about. And you guys, I know a lot of times I don't tell you, as a lot of other creators tell you, where they got things, simply because I don't remember. I know that's terrible, but my wish is to inspire you to create looks of your own. So I just wanted to put that out there, because a sister forgets. Like, some things I have really had for a long time. So, but this, I do remember where I got this. When we purchased our house, our realtor, when we closed, gave us a gift certificate. We have a furniture store here. It's a little on the pricey side, and the name of it is the Cherry House. So they gave us a gift certificate to the Cherry House, and this is what I got. So yes, this came from Karen and her husband. They were a team. I'm sorry, I forgot his name. But yes, that's where this came from. So we're going to start with this. It's set that right there in the middle. And then, one second. Okay. So Joycelyn, this is what I use. These are some bouquets that I got from, see, I hate to tell you one thing and it'll be something else. I do believe I got these from, either got them from Hobby Lobby, or I got them from what's this, Burlington's. But I'm leaning heavily toward Hobby Lobby, maybe, I don't know. But yes, it's two bouquets, and basically I just stuck one on one side like that, and then I stuck the other one on the opposite side. And I always like a little drama, and to me, anytime you got anything cascading over, that's some drama for you. So let me show you what I added. Now I do know I got these from the Dollar Tree. So I took one of the, actually I think I had two, and I just stuck that. These things just shed so bad, but anyway. But that'll give you an idea of a look you can create. So I'm going to use these same bouquets, yes. I'm going to use these same bouquets. So let me stick this here. And we're going to exchange this. Where's it at? Okay. Okay, then I have this vase here. Now I got this, I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. I think. See you guys, I hate lying to you, so. But anyway, you can get these glass jars. I may have got it at Marshall's, yes. I think this came from Marshall's. But any vessel that you have, you can turn it into a centerpiece, you know, either for your coffee table, for your dining room table, it doesn't matter. So, I said I was going to use these, but let's see what that looks like. Now, I don't like this, I'm going to tell you why. Some stems I don't mind seeing through the glass, and some I do. I don't like because I got this one, you got this one thick stem here, like that. So even if I was to add some drama like that, I'm sorry, it's shedding again. I don't think I like that. But just because I don't like it don't mean that you're not inspired by it. So that's one look. So let me move this here. Okay, so we are going to add, okay, we're going to go for a little fall look. Now I do know I got these from Hobby Lobby. My little pumpkins here. Oh, this one doesn't have a little, well, we'll fix him in a minute. So we can put one of those in here. Stick another one. And you guys, you can go simple or you can go extravagant, however you like to do it. I think I'm going to keep this one simple. This look here is simple. And see, with just 3 pieces, I created, you know, a little look. So, then you could also add, I'm trying to see because I got some things over here. Let's see. Let's add some, I got some olive branches. You could add those as well. If you wanted a little, if you wanted it fuller, or whatever you have on hand. Back in the day, and I still use it to this day, I love eucalyptus leaves because you can create some really cute looks with just simple eucalyptus leaves. So I don't want to have too much of the pumpkins. Can you see that? So that's that. Okay, and so then we are going to, wait you guys, I think I want to try these in there. Now I'm doing this as we go along. Now these I haven't even taken the tag off of. I think I got those two. Simple. And then I absolutely love lamb's ear. So I think I would want to, let's see. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. So I have another one. I may not have bought enough in here, but you get where I'm going with this. And see how lovely that is? I love that. Simple. You guys, I have gotten into this green and this neutral thing. I'm loving it, and I seem to be stuck there. Well, for the time being. So anyway, I love this look. What do you think? So this is one look. And then, remember I said about the eucalyptus leaves? So wait. I have a bunch right here. You may have seen this in my office before. And look. This would be lovely if you had like, this would be lovely in a kitchen if you have a big island. How I wish I had a big kitchen and a big island. Anyway, something, I like simple. I'm not a real over-the-top kind of person. At least I don't think I am. I like a simple, to me, less is more sometimes. A lot of times less is more. So you can do this as well. Add you some other little things around it, however you like. And so I'm going to show you, I think, one more look. Let's see. 1 second. Now I got eucalyptus leaves everywhere. Okay. So we all get flowers or have gotten flowers. Keep your vases. I'm going to show you another vase. For my, I want to say it was my birthday. It was either my birthday or my anniversary. My husband got me an edible arrangement. I kept the vase, you know, because you can put some pretty little flowers in here, make it short, and it would be absolutely gorgeous on your coffee table. So anyway, we're going to start with the clear vase that I got flowers in this one. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So you guys, these are some real eucalyptus leaves that came in a floral arrangement I received. Not to make you feel sad, but when my sister passed. And I wanted to keep it, so I let them dry out. So we got those in there. And okay. So we're going to jazz it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. So, you guys, these came from, I'm going to say Hobby Lobby. I'm not 100, but I do believe they came from Hobby Lobby. You probably see me use them in my couple of tablescapes here recently. So to add a little oomph to this for the fall, oh, my leaves are falling off. We're going to add the pumpkins. Oh, my leaves. Okay, but anyway, there you have a nice little look. So it's just basically, I want you guys to use what you have. Look at what you have in your arsenal and think about different ways of how you can use it. Now I thought I bought them in here. I have some just regular sticks that you can also stick in a vase or whatever and create a gorgeous, simple, but elegant table centerpiece, whether it's for your coffee table or for your dining table. So, anywho, I hope, is this everything I wanted to show you guys? I think it is, but you get the idea. So, I wanted just to inspire you to get those juices going because Thanksgiving is coming. And you guys, this is what I was thinking about. Because I'm always trying to, and I hope I'm accomplishing what I'm setting out to do, is to inspire you to create some looks. So I was thinking that for the month of November, maybe after Thanksgiving, that you guys create your tablescapes for Thanksgiving dinner and then send me your pictures and let me showcase them on on my videos. So, and you can do that. My email address is the same as my channel name, jillstyle@yahoo.com. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Or, and it doesn't have to be your Thanksgiving table. Any look that I inspired you to create, go ahead and shoot me a picture, and then I will showcase it in my next video. So again, I hope you saw something that inspired you to create some awesome looks. And you know what I love to say? I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.